What is up guys, welcome in another video. If you're new to Blender and you don't know how to scale an object, this video is for you. I'm gonna be covering super quickly all the ways that you can scale the cube in this case. So let's jump into it. The first way is actually the simplest way. So you just select the cube in object mode and you press the letter S on the keyboard. This is going to scale our cube. And what this does also is change the overall scale of the cube on the left side. So remember guys, if you're gonna paint this cube after, you must set the scale to 1:1:1. And how you do that without changing the shape again, you just Ctrl A and apply the scale. So now this cube is ready to be painted. But let's say you don't want to do that and you still want to keep the 1:1:1 and scale the cube accordingly. Well, that's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is just go into the edit mode by pressing the tab button, and then here you can scale the cube in two ways. The first way is like the previous one with the letter S. As you can see, the cube gets bigger and smaller and the scale hasn't changed, but the dimension have. Or you can also Alt plus S on the keyboard, and this is going to scale it in a different way. This usually works better with more complex objects, maybe if you need like a cage for high to low poly baking, but that's stuff that we're gonna be covering in the future. But also you can scale with Alt plus S, as you can see. One other way to scale, if you don't want to use the keyboard, you can go to the left side of the screen and you have the scale, which open up the gizmo. You can scale it whatever you want. You can scale it up, you can scale it sideways. You can also scale it sideways on the keyboard. How do you do that? That's simple. We're gonna go back on our keyboard, press the letter S, and let's say I want to scale this cube on the Z-axis. So after pressing S, we press the Z key, and as you can see, the Z-axis pops up, and all you have to do is just move the mouse up and down, and this is going to scale the object in the axis that you want. You don't want to scale it on the Z-axis anymore? Don't worry, press another axis, and it's going to change it. There you go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. I think it's all for today, and I will catch you tomorrow with another video. Peace.